ADT or Vivint, historic reliability or next-gen innovation. When it comes to protecting your home, which one really delivers? On the left, ADT, the trusted leader with over a century of experience. On the right, Vivint, the premium smart home contender known for cutting-edge automation. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to what matters most for your home's security. Each category stacks up points, so you'll see exactly who tops the charts when it counts. The final winner might just surprise you.
All right, let's break this down. Here's our game plan. We're comparing price and contracts, security and monitoring, smart home integration, installation and setup, equipment and technology, alerts and response, and finally, customer experience. Basically, if it matters for keeping your house safe or making it smarter, we're talking about it. Okay, first up, price and contracts. ADT's actually got some affordable starter options, and you can even self-install if you want to keep the bill down. But here's the catch. Most plans want you locked in for 36 months. And man, when you start adding upgrades or extras, the price really starts creeping up on you. Now, Vivint is kind of interesting. If you're cool with buying your equipment up front, which, heads up, is not exactly cheap, like think $550 and up, you can do month to month and skip the contract completely. But if you want a lower starting price, you'll sign up for a contract. Oh, and monitoring? Pretty much required. All said, for flexibility, Vivint just feels a little friendlier to your wallet. So Vivint takes this round. Let's move to security and monitoring. ADT is like the OG of home security. We're talking 6 US-based monitoring centers. So if one goes down, backup has got you covered. Plus, over 150 years in the business. That's wild. They even offer a theft protection guarantee, so they'll cover you up to $500 on your deductible if something happens. Downsides? They're kind of slow when it comes to new tech, and honestly, their Google user rating isn't awesome. Now, Vivint definitely gets props for top-rated monitoring and privacy. Their reviews are solid, and, fun fact, no major breaches on record. But they only run 2 monitoring centers, so not as much backup in emergencies. And you can't self-monitor if you wanted to. So, for classic trust and crazy redundancy, ADT's holding strong here. All right, let's talk smart home integration. This is where things get spicy. ADT will play nice with Google Nest, Alexa, even your Apple Watch if you're fancy. Some third-party smart locks too. Thing is, all that cool automation, like scheduling stuff, you need the paid plan, and it can feel, I don't know, kind of pieced together with different apps. Vivint, though, is like, we have one app for everything. You can control your locks, lights, cameras, alarms, all right there. Advanced tricks like geofencing and real-deal automation? Yep, baked in. Downside, gotta get a pro to hook it up, and not as many add-on widgets as ADT. But for a truly unified smart home feel, Vivint is basically flexing. So, yeah. Vivint wins this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know ADT has literally been locking down homes for over 150 years? That's longer than most of us have been around. Meanwhile, Vivint is pushing new boundaries. Their advanced sensors can straight up scare off would-be burglars before anything even happens. Wild, right? Next, installation and setup. ADT actually gives you some options, which is cool. They'll do pro install for you, or if you're a DIY champ, you can handle it yourself on select packages. But heads up, some smart features only kick in if you shell out for the higher plans. Vivint, on the flip side, is all pro all the time. Their installers show up suited and ready to go. White glove service, they call it. You literally do nothing, but there's just no DIY option. So if you want flexibility, especially for those who like to tinker, ADT wins out. Now on to equipment and technology. ADT, super reliable. The sensors and cameras are proven, and most of the gear works with Google stuff too. Oh, and you get a key fob for those of us who hate fiddling with apps every single time. The catch is, the stuff can feel, well, a bit generic, not premium, and more third-party than custom. You want high-level automation? It's not all there out of the box. Vivint, meanwhile, goes hard on their proprietary gear. Think a 4K doorbell cam, slick touchscreen hub, and their smart deter tech. Lights and sirens that freak out intruders. Cameras record to the cloud 24/7. The con? You pay a premium for this slickness. But honestly, Vivint just looks and feels next-gen, so Vivint takes it. Alerts and response time. ADT's got dual-path communication, cell and landline, so it's seriously hard to knock them offline. If you're rocking a Google Nest Cam, it'll do facial recognition too. Downside? Sharper automation needs those pricey plans. Vivint's app is built for mobile first. Super snappy alerts and instant threat response, with cool environmental automation tricks. But if your cell dies, there aren't as many backup options as ADT. Big picture, ADT's redundancy just feels way safer, so ADT is up here. Last, customer experience. ADT's everywhere and super recognizable, so you're not dealing with some random. But I gotta say, reviews for service are all over the place, and ratings are lower online than you'd hope. Vivint? Consistently higher review scores, like almost a whole point higher on Google. Privacy gets a ton of love, and their support actually feels human. Only pain is, if you bail on a contract early, the fees sting. All things considered, Vivint is the crowd pleaser in this department. You know what? When you lay out all the scores side by side, Vivint's definitely got more wins for cutting-edge tech and smart home control. But ADT's strong where it really counts. Old school security and backup. So my take? If you want classic security with tons of backup and a company your grandma definitely knows, ADT is a solid bet. If you want the most modern, fully unified smart home system and don't mind spending a bit for the best gadgets and a slick app, Vivint's gonna make you smile. Personal taste, guys. What matters most to you? Hey, if this ADT versus Vivint breakdown helped you get closer to a decision, definitely stick around for more deep dives. Subscribe, and I'll keep bringing the inside scoop on top security tech. See you in the next